This Harley Davidson Road Glide is brand new, and it came in for a Stage 2 audio upgrade. Client wanted all Diamond Audio on this one, so we went with Diamond Audio MO75 horns in the grills, went with the Diamond Audio MS Pro 6.5 mid-bass drivers, Diamond Audio 800 watt amp, and the new Diamond Audio DSP. We flashed the radio, activated CarPlay, and for the lids, we went with the Hertz 690 Neos because he wanted something that was 100% weatherproof and had excellent mid-bass. So check it out. The bike sounds really, really good. Customer purchased some auxiliary fans from Harley and the harness and the switch. And with the Techno Research software, we were able to enable it in the computer so it functions just like factory. We also went with an Nvs Audio LED lighting kit on this one. So it's a standard lighting kit that we use, so you get to pick from any color that you want. And then when you step on the brake, the entire bike turns red. It's an extra safety feature it's added. It's really nice. Clients really like it. So now we have the bike flash flat. We haven't set any EQ in the DSP yet. We just did a gain adjustment, so we have maximum undistorted from the radio, maximum undistorted output from the DSP, and the amplifier's gain set. No EQ yet, and the bike sounds phenomenal. Just 2 speakers, 2 tweeters. Now we're going to go ahead and tune it. So Diamond Audio did an incredible job with this DSP. DSP is going to go here. Amplifier is going to go under the headlight. Simple 4-speaker setup. We haven't done the 6 mines yet, but 4-channel Diamond Audio amp, 6-channel Diamond Audio DSP, flash factory radio. Sounds phenomenal.
Try to play it cool, but now she wish she would've stayed. Cause every song that I made was ringing like I got engaged. Love my guys, I wouldn't trade. Running Did you do love?